Whoever can hit the ball off the bed of this truck
Into this net.
and put it into this hole is the winner.
Loser, get shot with the hose. First try. Oh, be good.
Nope.
Flipping, that boy is gone.
Oh my gosh, that's awful.
Nice shot.
Money! Get in there. Oh my God.
This is harder than it looks.
That's money.
Oh,
my
wow.
gosh, I thought that was in. Oh! Come on, baby.
He's got to make the putt, dude. Pressure's on. Otherwise, I get another shot. He missed the putt, dude. I have got to make this chip.
Be good, ball. Oh, that's it. Yes, sir! They throw all the marbles here. Here we go.
Hey, shoot! I lost. Let's get this over with.
Okay. All right. Okay.